Blanching Island, where I am looking at a blanching process. First of all, we have to know what blanching is. The blanching process is used in the fruits and vegetables to remove the peel, modify the texture, and deactivate the enzyme. Take this broccoli as an example. The blanching process damages the cell and causes the cell to be more permeable, which means molecules and other things are easier to get in and out of the cell. This permeability causes water and solutes to go in and out of the cell, causing nutrient loss. Blanching also removes the gases in the plant cell, brightening the color of the food. As the gases are removed, the condition in the cell becomes vacuum. The vacuum condition in the cell also reduces oxidative changes in the food to eliminate the process of off-flavors development. The other purpose of blanching is to retain the color, as in vegetables. Thus, there is lipoxygenase, polyphenol oxidase, polygalacturonase, and chlorophyllase. As one of the examples, chlorophyllase causes the breakdown of the chlorophyll in food, responsible for the loss of green color. So, this blanching method is used as a pre-treatment to heat sterilization, dehydration, and freezing, since the changes may happen if the food is not blanched. However, remember that you should not under-blanch and over-blanch a food. Under-blanch causes the enzyme to be released by cell damage, but the heat is insufficient for enzyme inactivation. Over-blanching causes the food to be mushy and may result in flavor loss. So, that's all I know about blanching. Let me know what you think about the blanching in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye bye!